Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete games and apps from your PS5 without losing your saved data. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer play a game, but you want to still keep its saved data. How do you actually go ahead and delete that game? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first navigate to where it says Settings on the upper right-hand corner. Scroll down to where it says Storage. Click on Console Storage, and then click on Games and Apps. So on this page here, this is where you can select games and apps that you want to delete. If you delete a game, keep in mind that your saved data will not be deleted. So you can simply just reinstall any games or apps that you want to play later and recontinue with your saved data. Now, if you want to delete saved data, you can click on Save Data, which is over here. Click on which games you want to check. And then from here, this is where you can see all your saved data. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete games or apps from your PS5 without losing your saved data. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.